guys, welcome to my channel. It's Frugalista here. I'm gonna bring you a smoky eye with some autumn hues from the Sahara palette, Alter Ego. Look at those babies. Aren't it just screams pumpkin spice. Maple nut. What's your favorite? I mean, we're not quite gingerbread yet, but yeah, okay. Yes, so I'm gonna do that because fun, right? We need just to watch people put makeup on. I think that's what we miss, right? But I just need to let you guys know there is a portion of this video that's going to be sponsored. And so let me just talk about that really quickly. Thank you, strivectin, for reaching out to me and sending me the following products and sponsoring this video. Part of this video, you know what I mean, the middle part. Anyway, I'm just kidding. Okay, you guys, I have 3 products to share with you that are pretty amazing, especially if you're like me, over 40, but even if you're over 30 and you just want a little more oomph, you know what I mean? Okay, so first I'm gonna put on this one, and it's their Double Fix for lips. So this is a dual product of the expression lines, shall we call them? The pursing your lip vertical lines, and also plumping. We've just got this product here. I'm gonna hang it on, and I'm doing this first so we can see kind of before and after, you know? Give you a little. Okay, so I don't have a whole lot of feathering going on, but hey, it's only a matter of time before it's gonna get more. Like, I'm doing everything I can to just kind of keep my lips full and plump and happy. And then this is the plumping treatment. And what I like about it, so it's got your typical kind of doe foot gloss. This is gentle, it doesn't hurt. Your lips will just kind of look fuller and softer and plumper, but it doesn't have, it's not severe. It doesn't feel like you've been sucking on a cinnamon red hot. The idea that they work together, so you're addressing this part and this part. We like that, right? And because I'm doing kind of a smoky look, I guess, I mean, I'm calling it a smoky look because we want to just sort of soften it and blur it, and we're using browns and bronzes. It's not like strong smoky, you know, where dark black charcoal, that kind of thing. So what I thought I would do is I'm going to do my eye makeup first before I do foundation and concealer, and I'm going to do this blur effector for eyes from strivectin. So the cool thing about this, and I'm gonna take one for the team, and I'm gonna do one eye and leave the other so you can kind of just see the difference. So what I like about this primer is that it's not only for the lid, it's for the under eye area. So you just need a little tiny bit. It's got a tint to it, but it's a universal tint. And I'm gonna show you, so I'm gonna leave this eye, everything, I'm wearing all my sunscreen and my usual stuff. So you want just a little bit. I always find these products with kind of the dimethicone and the firming action, you don't wanna overdo it. Because if it does pill, then just kind of keep tapping it away. I've noticed that if it pills, that's okay. Also, I've noticed that this works really well under a hydrating concealer because it seems like it's going to sort of help set your concealer. So you don't need to use a lot of powder, you don't need to use a lot of mattifying products. But I think you can tell, like, this eye has less of appearance of the darkness, and just by going, like, I need lift. So see how kind of it looks like a little bit of my hollows are filled in. And also what I like is it's not dramatic like a, you know, a paint pot or some kind of cream shadow, but it has it's softened the veins and the redness. My lids get so red. So it's really helped prep for eyeshadow. But I love how, yeah. But because I found that it does not replace eye cream, so this is something that you want to use as like a makeup, like a treatment makeup. So for your eye primer, and but you're just getting 2 products in one because you're getting lid primer and you're getting like this lifting action before you put your concealer on. I'm gonna use the shade Adobe right here. I feel like a preschool teacher reading the book upside down to the children. Do you have that talent? So I'm gonna put this on here. You know what I really should have done, but I was showing you. What I should do is put a tiny, tiny bit first on the lid, do my eyeshadow, clean up, then do a tiny little bit underneath, and then, yeah, okay, I'm just realizing that now. Love the Alter Ego shadows. I feel like they wear well. I've worn them without primer before, and they do just great, but we can see how like this one's smoother. Yeah. Going to just use a flat brush that I have with this, see this shadow right here? It's called Plains. I am going to use a liquid shadow too, but I'm just kind of building in the color. Lots of ochres. All right, so I'm going to take a detail brush and just gently, like as if I wasn't gonna be gentle, gently, I'm going into Raven Quoth Fit. Wait, where are you, Raven? There you are. Okay, and we are gonna go right here. Do you see how full my lips are? I mean, I do have full lips, so it's not like, but I feel like the top kind of is more even with the bottom. I'm gonna use Mirage. It's quite the metallic. Yay! Not a whole lot of fallout. Next, strivectin, the last item from strivectin, anti-wrinkle line blur perfector, just like the eyes. This time, this is a primer for the face. So this has a dimethicone-like feel. It's got that blur. It has the, where it looks like the pores are all filled and softened. Gives you that nice lifted smooth look. So yeah, this has Naya 114 technology, which has niacinamide in it. So it has a little bit of skincare that's going to help with fine lines, skin texture, skin appearance. Does it replace your other serums and skincare? No. But is it an amazing primer that will make your skin look that much better under foundation? Yes. Foundation today is gonna be Soap and Glory. Kick-ass. I'll just zoom you through this. Oh, actually, no, I'm going to show you how great this looks. And then I'll zoom ya. And I'll edit over the boring stuff, like eyebrows and mascara. The other thing I've noticed when I use this primer is that I think it takes less foundation to do the job. It's good. That looks good. Okay. e.l.f. HD Lifting Concealer, just a smidge. I am gonna do my powder. Let's talk about just kind of how everything is so smooth. So for my lips, I am gonna do a LA Girl lip liner, and I'm gonna do this NYX Plump, no, what's it called? Lingerie Push-Up, as in bra, right? Okay, so I'm just making sure I don't have any residue. We are gonna line. This is shade Keep It Spicy. We're gonna go along the lip and then just a smidge on the outside. Just a smidge. So I'm just going down here, right? Gonna line right here, our high air, there. Just make sure. I like a softer Cupid's bow. Gives a little more fullness. And then this shade is called Bedtime Flirt. And then what I thought I would do, because as I straighten my hair out for the 15th time, what I thought I would do is I would take the Double Fix lips and just do a little bit of the lip plumper. I'm gonna put some just on the back of my hand so that it doesn't dirty the wand. And I'm just gonna take some like so. And just sort of nudging the product up so that we have the plumpest, fullest lips we can get. I like it. And my eyes are, you know, kind of fun for fall. I mean, you could wear this look year round, but for fall, sort of soft and cozy, that's sort of how I perceive this makeup. And yeah, but I think it's balanced and I think it's subtle enough so you're not gonna feel self-conscious, because I know when I do something different with my makeup, I feel very self-conscious. Okay, let's zoom out. But all in all, I'm so happy with the products. My forehead looks smooth. This area, see, with my concealer over this primer, so good. The shadows are great, but I feel like this side is just a smidge more intense. Yeah. So strivectin's everywhere, you guys. I will leave links below so you can find it for yourself. Again, thank you so much, Strivectin, for reaching out to me, for sponsoring this part of the video. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you have subscribed to my channel and you can give this video a thumbs up. And thank you so much for supporting me and my little corner of YouTube. And that's everything. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.